Hey beauties, Andreas. We are here in my kitchen. So I went ahead, kept my house, and remodeled my house to the way that I want it to look like. I did have a budget, and a lot of stuff in my house needed to be changed. Like, we changed every single floor in my house. We were not only doing things that was like cosmetic, we were doing a lot of things that needed to be done. And our budget kept getting smaller and smaller, so we were not able to get a brand new granite counter. It did not fit in our budget, so we had to find ways to get a counter to hold us for the next couple years in a way that would look like granite, look, you know, nice, right? What I did, I bought this kit, Gianni Granite Countertop Paint Kit in color Slate from Amazon, all right? I got it and I was gonna do it myself. The reason why I was gonna do it myself because I watched so many videos on YouTube on how to do it, so I'll be able to choose and pick from each person's technique and everything like that. This is the thing, it comes with three different colors, a light beige, white, and black. Okay, you start out with the primer, of course. I followed the instructions, so did the people that I watch on YouTube. They all follow the instructions. So this video is going to be a little review of the kit itself, right? All right, so I got the kit. I got the primer. I painted the primer all over it, of course. Before I did so, I made sure my counters were clean. All right, I scrubbed the junk out of these counters. Yes, I did have my sink removed for that because I was gonna put in a new faucet anyway. So that was removed. Cleaned it off, I primed it, everything was black. I didn't use the roll that came with the kit, and I bought a paint pan to put the black color in it, and then everywhere was primed, okay? I made sure there was no spot that was not covered. Yes, I did do my backsplash, as you can see, as well, the same color, which I loved. By the way, when I actually get granite in the future, I am gonna get granite counter and granite backsplash. I love that look so much. But anyways, they do say you gotta wait 8 hours after the primer, which is the black color. I waited a whole 24 hours because I didn't want nothing to go wrong. By the way, the primer is easy to paint on. So easy, like it's not one of those like you feel like you need to go multiple times with a roller, so you'll be fine. This is where the art comes in, which I'm not good at. All right, I got the sponge that was in it. I cut the sponges in 4 pieces. This comes with 3 colors: beige, black, and white. Okay, and the primer, the separate, it's black as well. All right, I put each sponge, each little piece, onto a color, except for the brown color. I did not use the brown color, did not use the beige. I didn't want nothing beige in my kitchen. I like bright colors. I don't like nothing beige or cream, nothing like that. On top of the primed counter, by the way, this is mica, I did use a sponge. Each had its own sponge, and I started dabbling the white all over, and then I dabbled the black all over. I kept going over and over with the white and then with the black. Yes, it is like a little mixing of it turned my counter to be a gray color, which looks beautiful to me. By the way, none of them come out the same. I watched so many videos. My stuff did not come out the same as any of theirs, and any of theirs did not come out the same as each other's, okay? They're all gonna come out different, and I love mine. As you can see, mine did not come out the same as my backsplash, even though I tried. I used the same technique, all right? They did not come out the same, different days, different sponges, okay? So they did not come out the same. I didn't do them at the same time. I'm still happy with the results. The thing is, do not be scared to just do what you gotta do, all right? All I did was press down and get up, press down and get up. And when I felt like there wasn't enough paint left on the sponge, I dipped it in there. No beige. I did not use any of the beige. I'm sorry, I'm not showing you guys me doing it as I'm doing it, but I wasn't planning on recording a video. And then later on, I was like, you know what? Let me just do it just to help some of y'all out there, just with these little clips that I got. We were even on the sides, by the way. When I did the primer, I did use the roller, just in case you need to know. On the sides, make sure if it does get on the counter or if it gets on the floor, clean it right away. It comes off. As long as you clean it right away, you'll be fine. I did use tape, you know, the blue tape, for the corners when I had to do my backsplash. For the counters underneath when I had to do the countertop, right? I had this for the past 5 months now. I want to tell you guys the good, the bad, what's happened. All right, it does come with a gloss, all right, which is the coat. It looks kind of white and then it dries clear, right? I do not like it. I don't think it does much, especially for the backsplash. It doesn't do much at all. So I would recommend, and a lot of people on Amazon in the review section, they also recommend for you to epoxy it. Yes, get that gloss thing, gotta mix with some water and do it. I didn't do mine yet, but I'm about to do it soon because I realized some chips, like just actually 1 or 2, on one other side, another one somewhere here, that paint started coming off. You need to seal it, and I recommend sealing it with the epoxy. So I do not recommend that, all right? Keep in mind that my way was without using the beige color that comes in the kit, okay? Without using it, yes. When do you get to touch it? After you do the decoration, right? With the sponge. I didn't touch it for the next 8 hours. Again, they said 4 hours, but I wanted everything to be perfect. So I didn't touch it for the next 8 hours again. Yeah, and that is my review on the kit from Amazon that I used to make my countertop look like granite. Let me know what you guys think about it, and down below, let me know if you have other options on how to make your countertop look like granite. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.